Hi ladies, it's Sister Albertine. So just a quick note about what to expect on your quiz. The types of problems you're going to see on Delta Math are the types of problems that you might see on your quiz. The quiz will not be as long as the Delta Math assignment. I'll just pick and choose a few from each topic, so the quiz won't be the length of this assignment. Okay, one more note is that Delta Math can't ask everything perfectly. So there's a few things that I want to ask you that won't be on the Delta Math assignment. I want to let you know what those things are. So in class we practice with both negative and positive numbers and with fractions. So we did something like this. Put in on a number line negative 10, I'm going to change the numbers, 6, 12 fifths, and negative 3.5 on the number line in order. So you might have something where you need to draw on a number line. Okay, that's one thing that'll be different. The second thing is you have a Delta Math assignment that times you adding and subtracting negative numbers. You'll have to do 10 of these in 200 seconds. I don't want you to get caught up on the time, so don't worry about if you don't meet the time limit, it's fine. But you will have problems that ask you about adding and subtracting negative numbers. So you might have something like this, negative 3 minus a half, for example. Okay, that's it for the quick notes. Good luck, ladies.